好，咁我而家會講下中四課程嘅另外一啲題目嘅。咁呢課叫做 Equation of Straight Lines 啦。咁就首先睇題目啦。Find the number of points of intersection of straight lines L1 and L2。咁做呢道題目嘅時候咧，首先要知道呢個 concept 嘅。For the straight line ax plus by plus c equals 0，slope 咧就會等於負 a over b，x intercept 就等於負 c over a，而 y intercept 就等於負 c over b 嘅。根據翻呢個情況，我哋就可以睇題目啦。咁而家有第一題啦，有兩條線嘅。第一條線 L1 嘅 equation 就係 3x 減 5y 加15等於0。L2 咧就係 5x 減 3y 加15等於0嘅。根據翻資料咧，我首先會 check 翻個 slope 先嘅。slope of L1 負 a over b， 負 a over b， 咁就即係負3 over 負5啦，就會等於3 over 5嘅。咁 slope of L2 咧就會等於負 a over b 啦，都係。咁就根據翻資料就係負5 over 負3嘅，就等於5 over 3。咁因為 slope of L1 喺呢個情況3 over 5同5 over 3兩個係唔同嘅 ，L1 and L2 slope 都唔同嘅。咁我哋就會得出一個結論就係 L1 and L2 have one point of intersection。所以如果你要揾兩條直線有幾多相交點嘅話咧，首先第一件事就 check slope 先嘅。如果 slope 唔一樣嘅時候，咁我哋就可以話俾人知兩條線有一個相交點。但係如果兩條線嘅 slope 係一樣嘅時候咧，就會衍生兩個情況啦。第一個情況就係當 y-intercept 唔一樣嘅時候，我哋就會話兩條線係冇相交點嘅。而另一個情況就係兩個 slope 一樣，但係 y-intercept 又一樣嘅時候咧，咁我哋就話呢兩條直線有無限咁多個相交點。